Hello, Horas Tapanuli. Hello everyone. Hello our judges. I want to introduce myself. My name is Sariel Hudagagung. I live in Pasingkaman. I am from Junior High School 5 Adian Kote. I am here today to tell you about one of the destination is North Tapanuli, the Salib Kasih. North Tapanuli Regency has various attractive tourist destinations, such as the Siu, Soda Water Bed, Sipoholon Hot Spring, Kuta Barat Hot Spring, Kuta Ginjal Hill, Salib Kasih, and many more. One of them, Salib Kasih. Salib Kasih is a Christian religious tourist object located in Tarutung City, North Tapanuli, North Sumatra, Indonesia. Salib Kasih is a religious monument and a popular tourist destination, more than just a place of worship. Salib Kasih offers a combination of natural beauty and experiences, history and spiritual value. The Salib Kasih was built to commemorate the services of German Christian missionaries Ingrid Ludwig Nommensen, who played an important role in spreading Christianity in the Batak region. This place has deep spiritual meaning and is a symbol of love. Beautiful natural scenery. The location of the Salib Kasih on Siatas Barita Hill offers spectacular natural scenery, including mountains, valleys, and rivers. Visitors can enjoy the serene natural beauty while doing spiritual reflection. Adequate facilities. The Salib Kasih is equipped with facilities such as parking area, stairs hiking routes, prayer and meditation area, cafe, and souvenir kiosks. Visitors can also find toilet and other public facilities. Tourist activities. Visitors can engage in various activities such as trekking, photography, and picnic. This place is also an ideal destination for spiritual reflection and refreshment. Cultural and historical value. The Salib Kasih is a symbol of historical and cultural heritage of the Batak people. Visitors can learn more about the history and cultural values of the local community. Thus, the Salib Kasih is a worthwhile place to visit for those seeking spiritual experiences, natural beauty, and knowledge of local history and cultural. Alright, thank you for everything. Thank you.